Can you give us an overview of your company and its key defense products?
Yes, absolutely. So Milkor is a proudly South African company established in 1981, which means we have more than 4 decades of experience in the defense industry. Our key product ranges at this stage are weapons, naval systems, land systems, vehicles, and then of course aerial systems, the Milkor 380 UAV.
Your company produces Africa's largest UAV, the Milkor 380. What are its capabilities and advantages?
So the Milkor 380 is developed primarily for ISR operations, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, but it can also be utilized as an opportunistic engagement system since it is a weaponizable system. It is a very good system for any country to utilize since it is ITAR restriction free. It is a very versatile system.
Can you tell us more about your grenade launchers and how they enhance military and law enforcement operations?
Yes, so you understand we have our entire range of grenade launchers. We have different grenade launcher variants for different law enforcement agencies and for different law requirements. For instance, some agencies are not allowed to utilize lethal grenade launchers, so we have less lethal grenade launchers in the MAR. We also have multiple shot or single shot grenade launchers, which for the same reason, some laws state that they may not use multiple shot grenade launchers.
What are the advantages of Milkor's armed vehicles and what can one expect from their after-sales service?
Our vehicle range, armored vehicles for military purposes, they are very customizable. We can customize the vehicles to any environment on the planet. We also offer after-sales support and maintenance training in-country, so you don't have to worry about maintenance and support after sales. We support you in the country and even do technology transfer to make sure you can utilize the system for many years to come.
Good. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.